Yes, you. I got a bone to pick with you, and I'm going to give you some reasons why you should consider adding more bone to your portfolio. Yes, Shiba and leash is important, but bone is just as important, and I'm going to give you why I think so. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's go ahead and dive into this content right now. Now, right now, you see the price of bone, $1.34. You're probably sitting there, oh, the value is going low. I got in at $10, $20, maybe at the high at $70 because it got up to about $70. You remember back in July, and now you're panicking because the value is going down. Now, you got to understand something. I'm going to show you. I'm holding bone. I got on over 5,000 bones buried, and I'm also have it there as well. I've got some unwolfable bone, over 236, and then 17 that I can wolf out at any time. That's just one area that I'm having my bone. But this right here, and I'll show you. These are the reasons why I think bone is important. So shout out to Shiba Central of doing this. And these are the reasons why. It's going to be a governance token. Remember, devs going to be paid bone. It's a native token to the Shibarian and the doggy DAO. And it says right here in the Shibarian, it's going to be just like here. I'm going to show you, I'll highlight that right there. This will be a fully decentralized, and they're talking about the Shibarian, the Shiba's own blockchain. This will be fully decentralized, and the blockchain will be as everything we do. Community driven, like the community, like me and you, all of us that's watching this video, that's an investment to the Shiba ecosystem. It should be also noted that Ryoshi saw bone as the native token to Shibarian. Now think about this. It says Shibarian is Shiba's own blockchain, and bone is the native token of this. And if I go back to this right here, it's listed right here. And it's the reason why devs want to be paid bone, because they see potential in it. And also, I got some research that's saying follow Sushi Swap or Sushi. It's priced at $14 right now. So that's something to think about, because it has a similar max supply, 250 million. And remember, bone has the same type of supply. That's something to think about. I'm not sure it's going to be exactly this format, but that's something that I thought very, very interesting. So I was like, you know what? What about if I've got bone and how much that will be worth? So I did the math here, and 100 bone, and I just said $25. I did say $25 by the end of the year. So I do think it can go higher than that based off, some of the developments, but $25, I think it can happen by the end of the year. So if you got 100 bones, that's what it is now. This is what it is now. If you got 100 bones, and the price is this, the value is $134. But this is what it'll be worth if it hits 25. And I did this all the way down to 500. So 500, or let me go to 200. 200 is this price today. So it's only value $268. But look how far that jumps pretty good if it hits $25 and you have 200 bone. But if you're burying bone, digging bone, and getting bone in different ways, these numbers will grow for you every single day. So just think about this. And it comes back to this. Devs want to be paid bone. I wonder why they want to be paid bone and nothing else. It makes me really, really think about this. So 500, today's price, $670 if I invested in today. But look at this, $12, 6,000. That's pretty good. But 500 and a price of bone of $25, $12,500 from the value what it is now, $670. Now I understand you might have got it in at $10 to $15, but you've seen your value go back up to $12,500. Now I did this as well in case you have more than 500 bones. Let's say you got 1,000, maybe 2,000, 5,000. These numbers start to get very interesting for your portfolio. And that's why I do, in my opinion, you should consider buying bone. I'm not necessarily telling you to buy bone. I'm just educating you about bone, because you see 1,000 is worth $13.40 today. But $25 or even $12 is 12,000 with 1,000 bones. With 1,000 bone, the price of bone is $25. With 1,000 bone, $25,000. That's pretty insane. That's pretty insane on something that you only invested only $13.40 today. So let's say you don't have any bones today and you got, okay, I'll invest $13.40 today. That turns to $25,000 if you just hodl and just believe the fact that, okay, the Shibarian is going to be a very, very important piece when bone gets there. Well, bone is going to be a very important piece to the Shibarian. So let me go ahead and get that straight up right now. So 2,000 bone is worth $26.28 with the price what it is now. But look what happens when it jumped up to $12 and $25. I mean, it'll even double your profit. It kind of just goes in a completely different stratosphere. 2,600, 24,000, and then 50,000. Come on, and that's just holding your bone. So anyway, and then look at this one here. This is what I fit right here, and I think some people have this amount. Some people have all these amounts. Either you got 100 or 50, or you got these amounts, or even more. So 5,000 for $1.34. The value is 6,700. That's crazy from where I think bone is going to go in the future. 5,000, just $12, $60,000. That's insane from what you invested into. If you bought today's prices, if you decided to, $6,700 jumped up to 60,000. And then also 5,000 bone with $25 price, $125,000. Now, I mean, look, I have this amount right now, and actually I'm planning. I would like to double 5,000. I actually would like to get 10,000 bones at one particular time at these prices. But I think 6,000 or 7,000 is probably where I'm really looking at. That may happen. But anyway, 125,000 and bones $25. That's crazy. Let's just say if it hits $50, $250,000. That's insane, just for bone alone. So guys, I just wanted to break that down. Yes, I'm burying my bone. I've got bone in different spots, and I know you got bones in different spots, or you're on the fence and you're not sure because you're looking at the price, $1.35. Oh my God, it's going down. Yes, my portfolio in terms of bone is going down. I will definitely admit that. But it comes back to the Shibarian, and it comes back to these 4 different topics. Shout out to you, Shibaswap, of giving this information. It's very, very true because it is a governance token. Devs do want to be paid bone. It's going to be a native token to Shibarian because it says so right here, literally right there. And it's going to be part of the doggy DAO. So it makes sense to me to invest into bone, get it when it's the drops in the red, because right now it's in the red. It's down today. So today I'm actually considering trying to add more bone or try to dig up some more bone. That's what I'm going to try to do. See if I can dig up some more bone because I see it as a really good value. And if I'm looking at Shibaswap, I know this is not bone, but it has a similar supply. A similar supply in terms of total supply and max supply as bone does. So even if it does $14, real quick, I know you got to go. If it does $14, let's say it does $14. That's still $70. $70,000. Look at this, $14 over here. That's $28,000. Okay, let's do this. $14 for 1,000. That's $14,000. Okay, that's $28,000, and that's $14,000. Let's go a little bit higher here. Let's say $14. That's $7,000 off a $670 investment if you bought today's prices. I'm just saying today, or even if you bought it, you know, when it was $10 to $15. Come on now, you're getting some income and some profit. So look at this, $14, $2,800 from a $268 investment. And I'm just saying, just wait until this happens. It may be 6 to 8 months for it really to happen. I think $25, but stuff can happen. It could be pushed over to the beginning of next year. And then also you have $14. Look at this, $1,400. I don't know, man. I love bone. I do think bone is a very, very important part of the Shibaswap, along with Leash and Shiba. And I even like Ryoshi because I think the Ryoshi is a big thing as well. So let's go ahead. Let's go, man. I'm telling you, this prices will not stay long. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Click on the links below. Sign up for the Webull account. Sign up for the whole, eToro account and get Shiba if that's something you want to do, or you can get other things as well. And I'll see you on the next video.